Now before we go any further into the assembly of your frame kit, we're just going to quickly talk about the nose and tail blocks. These blocks are included in your kit to help ensure a symmetrical outline, as well as removing some of the stress off the rails with the curvature that they need to bend to. These blocks can be quite fragile as they are only 6mm thick, so you do have to handle them with care. If you're working on a board that allows it, it is a good idea to glue two of these together to increase its thickness and therefore its strength. But keep in mind, not every board is going to accept a thicker lamination here, so check your frame, and if it has 12mm thickness at the nose and or tail, then glue them together and make your life a little bit easier. If there isn't enough thickness in your lamination, as you can see, it can still be applied. However, there is a risk of damage. So if something snaps, don't freak out and stress out. You've got a spare in your kit, or you can simply glue it back together with a clamp. Now, if you're still confused as to whether or not you should glue yours together, check the description below as we have provided an outline in what we suggest you do for your chosen board.